Hey there, it's Bootzone here. This is a Bosch WFO2465GB. It's from the Bosch Exxcel 1200 series, 1200 Express with a max freedom performance. Nevertheless, WFO2465. Let me show you how to do the lint filter on this machine. Way down here below the handle is this little door. Pop the top in, clip it in, and then this opens up, falls off if you like. In here there's a little hose. If you pull that out, you could get it into a baking tray or a cup or something like that. If you open that, water comes out, and this is just how you drain down the water in the machine. Perhaps if the door was locked or stuck with a load of laundry in it and a load of water, but it drains it down so that you can get at this little door here without making a mess, or as much of a mess. So if you unscrew this, a little bit more water comes out, and if you're doing this indoors, I'm doing it outdoors, but if you're doing it indoors, put a towel down or something like that. So looking in there, that's really clean. Give that impeller a spin, see what it's like. There's no grit or anything in there. Sometimes these can be full of pennies, paper clips, hair clips, bits of cloth, labels, plastic, anything like that. Just screw it back together when you're sure that it's clear, and that should be you done if your machine is full of water and won't drain out. If this won't open, check out my other videos, because I've put videos of what to do if this is stuck. Sometimes you can turn it a little bit and then it gets stuck, and it's just normally that there's a hair clip or a key inside or something like that. So just, you either keep wiggling it or take it apart. And taking it apart's not a big job, but you need access to the back and this one, or from underneath. Not a big job at all, but still, it's worth doing because it saves a fortune on the call outs. Okay, thanks for watching. See you later.